Here's how you can use AI products in order to help you become a better product manager. My name is Lilian Damariam, and I'm the head of product at Mela AI, which is an AI life coaching companion product. So, one of the ways that you can use AI in order to help you become a better product manager is really having it do a lot of the market and competitive research work for you, so that when you're trying to have a better understanding of your customer and the landscape, you can quickly do so without putting too much time and effort, right? And so, as a product manager, we know that it's very important for us to have a good understanding of what is going on in the market, what's going on from a micro and macro perspective, how are our customers engaging with not just our products or our industry, but in other industries as well. What are the things that they're feeling? What are the things that they're hearing, they're experiencing? And so, in order to do this, you can, of course, go out and do your hands on keyboard research yourself. But what I like to do is I like to use products like whether if it's ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini in order to have it do the preliminary research for me. So by the time that I'm ready to just like learn and consume, I'm not doing the hands on keyboard outward research work. I'm actually getting a good amount of the information as a starting point and then using that as a base in order to do a deep dive in the areas where I perceive to be important. The second part is it's to help you better understand your customer. And that kind of goes into the research I mentioned already. However, I would imagine as a product leader, you have a lot of internal customer data that you need to be able to digest and understand and use as a base when you're making a decision. Of course, this includes like scripts from focus groups or surveys that you've sent out or one-on-one conversations that you're having with the customer, like interview style. What I would like to do for us at Mela AI is I'll take all that information and I'll use that as a base for ChatGPT to help me better understand like what did our customers say, right? Like sometimes you're hearing stuff, but you may not fully understand what exactly they mean in these conversations. So I'll take all that information and I'll ask it, hey, based off of all of this customer information, what is the customer sentiment? What are the things they like, they did not like? How do I better improve the features that we're going to be building? And the next part is it's actually helping me do the force prioritization. So another way I use ChatGPT in order to help me build a better AI product is actually using it to help me force prioritize the right features to push out and help us plan out our roadmap correctly. The next way I use ChatGPT is actually to help me write PRDs and user stories. So this could look like just giving it a high level idea of who your customer is, where your product currently is, and asking it to, and giving it a couple of key features that you want to incorporate, right? And then asking it to write out a detailed PRD, including user stories, including acceptance criteria that can quickly be edited and refined and put into whatever your system is that you use. We personally use Asana in order to manage our user stories, for example.